Well, this could be a pivotal day across this nation. The U.S. Supreme Court has 10 major cases to decide. They need to do this by the end of the week. One of the biggest decisions could impact those student loans.
Our Jamie Warren is breaking down the cases for us. Jamie, student loans, I mean, this is impacting so many people.
Millions of people, Justin and Kaylee. President Biden issued last year that you could either get $10,000 or $20,000 in federal student loans completely erased from your record. But the program is now on pause because it is being challenged at the Supreme Court. And as you can imagine, that will have a big financial impact on the 26 million people who initially applied for it.
I don't think you can justify how much it costs to go to college. The way I've been explained to it, it's one of those things about life you just have to, take it into account.
If they do forgive it, I think that'd be beneficial, but ultimately it is still the student's responsibility to pay back the money that they did borrow.
I spoke with students last year after this announcement was made and was back on ASU's campus again yesterday to get their thoughts now that it is being challenged. If the Supreme Court allows the program to move forward, it's unclear when you would see your portion wiped away. Regardless of the decision, payments in general, they are set to resume later this year. They have been on pause since the pandemic. The court is also deciding whether or not affirmative action can be used when it comes to college admissions. There's also a case about whether a business that makes wedding websites has to provide services to same-sex couples, or if that goes against free speech and religious freedom. Another religious freedom case questions how businesses accommodate employees, like a mail carrier who was asked not to work on Sundays. And then finally, there's a question about voting rights and whether a state legislature has the power to make rules for congressional and presidential elections without being checked by state courts. It should be noted that right now the Supreme Court has a conservative majority. We could see decisions drop as early as 7 o'clock this morning. Guys.
All right, we will all be waiting with bated breath because so much is on the line here, Jamie. Thank you.